Wow, I got it.
This is wonderful.
Yeah, because I made it.
Okay, my recipe. Yeah.
Yeah, you know. Can you tell me about this coffee?
Yeah. This coffee is Mad Heads. They're from Ukraine. And we have today Colombia, pink bourbon with black currant taste, sparkling wine, raspberry, and banana. And the process of this coffee is natural.
Natural, okay. Good.
Yeah.
They use the 15.
Yeah, 15 grams.
That's 0, yeah?
Yeah.
15 grams for 250 water, yeah?
Yeah.
That's grand size and not too much fine and not too much coarse. It's middle of
Yeah.
grand.
Yeah. That's it. Now you can.
Now V60 and wash the filter because I hated the pepper smell.
Yeah, but you know there's filters. You don't need to pour water on top, but at least I pour water. That's it. Yeah. Okay.
The needle.
And now you have to start timer.
Pouring 14 seconds.
40 grams.
40 grams for
Yeah.
40 seconds, yeah? For
Yeah, you pour 40 grams and we are waiting for 40 seconds blooming.
okay.
And start from the, yeah. That's until 100.
100, yeah?
You fill banana or raspberry. And now at
Yeah, I can feel a fruity aroma. You can start?
yeah, pour until 250.
250.
Yeah.
Subscribe to my channel.
You can shake it.
A little bit. Good water flow. We'll check on taste.
Yeah, you can check it.
Now we can put our V60 here. And make aeration. Yeah. I like this color. My type of therapy. What you say? No, yeah. Like candy maybe? No?
Fish.
Two, five.
205.
Thank you. No, this my.
Yeah. That's my dad.
Wow, it's really good.
Now check together. $200.
205, and for today's we will check it now. Here. And test it. Like, not in the middle. Okay, maybe nothing is bad. Wait, test again. Oh my god.
Wow, I got it.
Oh my god. This is wonderful. Where to show it here?
It's perfect.
Yeah.
I told you before. Yeah, because I made it.
Okay, my recipe, your brewing.
Yeah, you know.